Feel the waves cut through me.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I got some nail mail that I want to share with you. So last week I got a packet from a place that's called shoppingfornet.com, and I ordered this one, Sesh Wheat, and I ordered one China glaze. But when I got my packet, this is the name, Shopping for Net. When I got my packet, I received this China glaze, but it wasn't the one that I had ordered. This one is called Evening Seduction. So I called them and I said I got the wrong, this one was right, but this one was wrong. So they said, oh, no problem, you just keep that one and we'll send you the one that you should have had. So today I got the one I should have had, and I got really happy. So this is the one that I really wanted, and it's called In the Limelight. So yeah, so I got a polish for free, so that made me happy. Then I got a packet from Aliexpress. And it's, let me open it. This is a black ink. So I'll put the picture up now and you can see how it looks. So I have never tried these kind of inks, and it's called Miss Shearing. So I'm looking forward for that, to try this. And I also got stamping plate, and it looks like this. So I like this. Kitty loves flowers. So this is kind of a layering, just a moment, it's a kind of a layering plate. You can see down here there's a lot of layering. So that's kind of why I bought it. So there is love here also. I like that. And it's Z-Joy, I think you pronounce it. Then I got a packet from not AliExpress, but it's called Nail Artisan. And from there I bought these two things. So I bought this one to clean the stamping plates, because I have this one already. I bought it, I think it's Born Pretty, but I'm really not happy with it. And the reason is because down here it's very small. So when you go to clean, this area here is so small, it doesn't work. It doesn't work for me, at least. So I saw this one, and this one you see is very wide here, and so this is much better. And then I bought just a small stamping plate also from the same place. So sorry, I had to make a pause there because I don't know if you could hear my guinea pig. He was beeping, beep, beep, beep. He wanted some food, so I just had to stop and give him some food. So I was unpacking the stamping plate from Nail Artisan. It's just a small one. If I can get a scissor. And it's from Sugar Bubbles, and it looks like this. So the reason I bought this one was for these suns. All of these suns. I love sun. So I just wanted a stamping plate with this. I couldn't find any stamping plates with the sun that I liked. So then I saw this one and I had to buy it right away. So it's so beautiful, this one. And this one. I just love them. And I love this also. Yeah, I love nail art. So let me see, I think that was, well, I got these. So this is from Aliexpress, and this is some nail foil. Let me show you, they are so beautiful. So if you want any link for any of the products that I'm showing, you just write me a comment and I'll give you the link. So look how beautiful they are. Just a moment. So wait. Oops. So there is this one. And this one. So this, I don't know if you are able to see it, is pink, like kind of a rainbow with the roses. So beautiful. And then there is this one. And there are so many, but you know, they are all so beautiful. There are so many. It's difficult to separate them. Here is one also. It's just like completely my style. So beautiful. There is more roses here and some like rainbow color. And this one is cute also. Like hearts. So let me see what else. Then there is, yeah, let me just remove these foils. Then I bought some stamping polish. No, this is also foil, yeah. This is also another foil from AliExpress. And this, I don't know if the camera can show it, but it's not silver. It's not silver color. It's kind of pinkish. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's like green and pink and yellow, and it's absolutely beautiful. I just love foils. I have to start doing I mean, I do nail art with foils, but I haven't made any video with it. So I'm gonna start put up some videos with foil, me making foils. Then the last is two pieces of the stamping polish. So there is this one. And this one. These two. And the brand is this one. Mi Fonchi or something. So the reason I bought this and not Born Pretty or some of the more famous brands is because one time I bought this brand, a red stamping polish, and I was so surprised and so happy with the red one, and then I forgot about it, and then I have used the red one again, and it's so good. So I thought, let me try and buy some more colors from this brand, because the red one was so good. So now I bought blue and yellow to see. I hope they are as good as the red one. So that's it. Then I bought some of these, but some how you call them in English? Pop sticks, I think. I run out of this so quickly, and then you have to wait like 1 month before before you can get some more. So yeah. So that was it. Let me just check if I missed something. Nope. So that was my small haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Remember, if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming up with beautiful nail art. And you are always welcome here. So hit the likes button if you like the video. And if you want any link of any of the products that I showed you, you can just write me a comment and I'll answer you quickly. So don't worry about that. So see you next time. Bye.